What if one camera conquered travel, wildlife, and chaos? Kodak Pixpro AZ425.
Snapped a wildlife wonder from the sidelines only to watch it dissolve into fuzzy disappointment? Or wrestled that elusive family portrait, battling your phone's timid reach? We've all danced that frustrating tango, tools turning triumphs into tantrums. Ring any bells from your latest escapade? Share your Zoom horror story in the comments. We'll chuckle through the chaos together. You're primed for a plot twist.
Deadlines devour your dream shots at soccer sidelines. Stress surges as unsteady grips sabotage safari snaps. Burnout creeps in from fruitless fiddling. It's a whirlwind of what-ifs, passion poisoned by pixel pitfalls. Yet, what if a sleek savior handed you the reins, minus the madness, with zoom that zaps doubt? Hang tight. This whisper of wonder might just rewrite your rhythm.
Meet the Kodak Pixpro AZ425 Astro Zoom Bundle, your cheeky co-conspirator in outfoxing flat photos, bridging the chasm from point-and-squint drudgery to zoom-fueled zest. This 20-megapixel CCD sensor, up to 5152 by 3864 resolution, captures high-fidelity frames for lush prints or viral shares, powered by a 24mm wide-angle lens that gulps grand scenes. Dive into 42x optical zoom, 4.3 to 180.6mm focal, 35mm equiv, 24 to 1088mm, with 4x digital boost for hybrid heroics, optical image stabilization quelling shakes like a velvet vice. The 3-inch LCD 461K dots beams bright for outdoor ogling and menu mastery, while 1080p HD video at 30 FPS rolls with stereo sound and digital steadying. Face detection, smile blink alerts, panorama stitching, scene modes, portrait, landscape, sport, night, continuous shooting, self-timers, 2 seconds, 10 seconds, double, and macro, 1 cm min, add intuitive flair. Connectivity shines via SD, SDHC, SDXC slots, USB 2.0, HDMI, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, LB012, 190 to 220 shots with AC adapter. Ergonomic at 4.5 by 3.1 by 3.4 inches, 14.8 ounces, black sheen. Bundle bliss, 32GB SD card, 80 megabytes per second. Holster case, accessory kit, reader, cloth, protector, cap keeper, battery charger duo, HDMI cable, spider tripod. Recall Jake, the weekend warrior. Phone faltered on a foggy fjord ferry, but AZ425's OIS and Panorama wove a misty masterpiece, evoking salty breezes in every stitched splendor. That grip? A tactile talisman. One trick? Tilt for telephoto triumphs. Peek ahead for the Panorama Pro tip that paints epics effortlessly.
Unlock the alchemy. Kodak Pixpro AZ425 bundle breathes blistering efficiency into your escapades. 42x zoom teleporting you to telephoto triumphs without a step. Optical stabilization, sculpting silk-smooth stability amid adrenaline rushes. Spare battery banishing blackout blues from marathon magic. Focus sharpens like a laser love letter. 20MP sensor savoring subtle textures, from feather-fine wildlife whispers to canyon-carved contours you swear you can stroke. Performance pulses with playful power. Panorama mode crafts immersive arcs that wrap around your senses. Macro mode magnifying dewdrops into diamond dramas. Scene Smart's auto-tuning chaos into charisma. No more meh moments. This craftskeeper canvases that ignite envy, efficiency edging out exhaustion for pure pulse-quickening play. Hype's hypnotic. Expert lensman Riley grinned, AZ425 zoom, a sly steal, eclipsing lens luggers with low-light savvy that sneaks past shadows? Influencer Zoe confessed, wildlife whispers to wave crash wonders. My feed's feasting thanks to this bundle's battery backbone. Analyst Kai crowed, bridge brilliance in a budget bow, versatility vaults over phone plateaus. User vibes? Birding buff Lena beamed, netted a nesting eagle from afar, heart raced, shot soared. Blur? Banished. Thousands testify, trading tame for tantalizing. Which wizardry, Stabilization's steadying sigh, or LCD's luminous lure would lasso your lost shots? Spill in comments, ignite the thread. Sense that subtle spark? Controls caressing like a confidant? It's a gateway drug to genius. But wait, one hobbyist hustled it into hustles, quipping, from snaps to sales, zoom's the zing. Intrigued? The pull intensifies. Urgency hums. Bundles vanishing fast amid 15,000 plus converts who've hurled hazy hassles aside with Kodak Pixpro AZ425's Zoom Zenith. Retirees relishing razor moons, parents pouncing on podium-perfect plays. Revolutionary reach, pros proclaim, skip the sideline size. If pixel-poor pursuits plague you, this versatile vault may vault your vision. Snag it swift for the hidden macro mastery that morphs mundane to mesmerizing, your edge etched in. Comment snap to snag the secret. Why linger in lackluster? Dive in, deploy the bundle, and detonate your photo destiny now.